Installing a fan bridge cable. Align the fan bridge cable with the connector hole on the node and insert the cable. From the front of the node, push the fan bridge cable towards left until it locks into place. Reconnect the fan bridge cable to the fan module cable. Route the cable through the pre-cut slot on the node. Align the fan bridge cable cover with the screw slots on the node, and then fasten the 4 screws to secure it. Slide the XCC network access label towards the node. Install the top cover. Refer to the Installing a Top Cover video in the playlist for detailed steps.